Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another tinted moisturizer review. And today's tinted moisturizer is by NARS. It's the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 30. This is what the tinted moisturizer looks outside of its box, and the shade that I picked for myself is Groenland Light 3. This is tinted moisturizer. As usual, I'm just gonna dot it around my face before I blend it in with the brush. NARS just recently relaunched this product with a few more shades, which is always good. This tinted moisturizer has quite a nice coverage. I would say this feels more like a foundation, like a light to medium foundation than an actual tinted moisturizer, but it's very light. Like, it feels very lightweight on the skin. I cannot feel it is on at all. It feels, I don't know if it actually feels hydrating, because I mean, it's called tinted moisturizer, so you feel like, is it gonna hydrate? I don't know, I don't feel like it's very hydrating itself. It doesn't really leave any luminosity to the skin, it just goes on and that's it. Color-wise, the shade is fine. I think it's just the perfect shade for myself. One thing that I noticed with NARS product, they go very greasy on the skin throughout the day, at least on my skin type. I am like a normal to combination. They go a little bit greasy on the skin and they don't last very well. I'm talking about foundations. They just don't last as well as other foundations that I adore. But hey, it's good. So it's not a long wearing foundation. At least this is my personal opinion. So don't come for me. If it lasts for you, it lasts for you. It doesn't last for me. But it's not very long lasting. When you put it on, it's beautiful. Like, honestly, this is what I've noticed with NARS foundation. Even the Glow foundation that I've reviewed, link will be on top here. It's beautiful when you apply it. Your skin looks amazing. You powder, you finish your makeup. But then, like, give it an hour or two and your skin will start looking a little bit cakey, a little bit heavy. And by the end of the day, your face just doesn't look like a face anymore. This is tinted moisturizer applied. Very nice, quick and easy. Very easy to apply, glides on beautifully. As I said, it might not last as long, but first application is actually pretty awesome. It's really beautiful. Like, this is the thing with NARS. Oh my god, I don't want to repeat myself, I already said it. But yeah, this is my opinion. I'm gonna go with concealer and I'm gonna stay with NARS. We're gonna use the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I reviewed this before and I still have the wrong shade. This is like a lot lighter than my skin tone. This is like pure white for my skin. So, but I haven't replaced it just yet. So I'm using it as a highlighter. Literally, I apply a little bit on. Highlight a little bit some points of my face. That's a straight line. It's a very pretty concealer if I had the right shade. But even though this is not the right shade, it's giving me a nice brighten highlighter under eye, center of my forehead, bridge of my nose. Yes. I'm going to use a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Pot Rouge by Bobbi Brown in shade Powder Pink. I'm just going to use it lightly just to give a little bit of color of these cheeks, because I'm not gonna do full-on makeup today, as usual you might think, just because I want to focus this review on the tinted moisturizer only. So I'm not going to do anything else. I'm just going to literally do like a very quick and easy, simple base. Now I'm going to go with a little bit of powder and I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Universal Blotting Powder. I'm going to use this one because, again, I want a very soft powder today. I don't want to like pack my skin with like powder. This tinted moisturizer reacts pretty well to, you know, to powder. It's not gonna flake, it's not gonna go dry, like the La Mer tinted moisturizer that I reviewed last. Link will be on top here. Just a little bit of gloss, because why not? This is by Max Factor. This is final look. This is final result. This tinted moisturizer is beautiful. it really has a nice finish. Like, okay, this time I'm gonna repeat myself. Beautiful finish, beautiful coverage. As I said, it feels more than a tinted moisturizer because it has a little bit more coverage than I would expect. You can see for yourself, if you zoom in, my skin looks flawless, looks like porcelain. It could be also because I used one of my favorite powder, the Blotting by Fenty. But the problem is, it doesn't stay this flawless very long on the skin, unfortunately. Personal opinion. And of course, the rest of the products I've reviewed before, showed you before, all beautiful. I've prepped and primed my skin with vitamin-rich face base by Bobbi Brown, and I have my usual skincare down by Origins, the Mega Mushroom line. I forgot to tell that at the intro. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, also give it a thumbs up, because why not? Let's spread the love. And while you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just subscribe down here, and also head over to my Instagram if you want, and subscribe there. Follow me at Glamstract as well. Thank you so much for watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.